Hello everyone, my name is Samandre Fresh, and today we are going to create a domain controller role, add computers to domain and IP addressing. But first let us install our OS. First we going to install Windows Server. We want to use a Windows Server Enterprise because it has more features on version of Windows Server. So we will wait the installation process. So it says that the user's password must be changed before logging for the first time. So we need to log in. We need to create a username for the the server. So let's go to configure networking, click on local area connection and go to properties, uncheck the IPv6 and go to properties of IPv4 and set up the IP address. We're going to use class B 160.100.100.1 and the subnet mask will be 255.255. Let's go. And the DNS server, the same IP. Click. Now click OK. Now let's go to system properties. Need to name our computer, which is server. Click OK. So it needs to be restart in order to apply these changes. Let's go to set time zone, change data and date time. Change time zone, go to Beijing. It's the same standard time in here in the Philippines. Go to customize this server. We're going to add some roles. Let's go check the Active Directory domain services. Install. Wait for the installation process. So the installation is successful. Let's go back to server manager. Let's go to server manager, go to roles, Active Directory domain services, and install the DC promo. Create a new domain, a new forest. Set up the name of your domain. Let's make it more simple. Labroom.com. Verifying. So here we're going to pick Windows Server 2008 R2 and click next. So proceed, yes, next. We're going to set up the password. Click next, and wait for DNS installation to finish. So the DC promo has been installed. So we need to restart our server. So we're here now at the client side OS. This is the client OS operating system and we're going to use Windows 7. So we are going to use Professional SP1. So wait for the installation to finish. and Windows needs to restart to continue. We're going to name our Windows 7. Let's name it PC1. Skip that for now. Ask me later. Set the time zone, the same time zone as in the server, which is Beijing. We're here now at the startup. Let's go to control panel. Let's go to network and internet, network and sharing center. And go to local area connection. Go to properties, uncheck the IPv6, same as the server process, and go to IPv4. Set up the IP address, which is also class B still. The DNS server will be 160. .100.100.1. In order to ping the client to server, we need to open our sharing center. Advanced sharing settings. Turn on all the possible network, public folder sharing, network sharing. And we need to ping server to client, which is good. They reply each other. And we need to ping our client server 161.100.100.1. So they reply. Let's go to computer, go to properties. Let's add the domain. The domain is labroom.com. So wait the response. So we need to log in our server account here. So welcome to the labroom.com domain. So it's successful. So same process again from another client OS, but change the IP address 160.100.100.3, and the DNS will be 160.100.100.1. Turn on all network sharing if possible. and connect our domain labroom.com. So welcome to labroom.com domain is successful. So we need to restart our client. We need to ping our client to server. If they reply, yes, they reply. So thank you for watching and see you.